Hello, it's Nicko with Food Cravings, and today we're making guacamole. This is a very popular side dish with its roots tracing back prior to the 16th century when the Aztecs invented it as some sort of an aphrodisiac. The word guacamole comprises of two words shortened from its original version, aguacate and mole, meaning avocado sauce, comprised of both guaca and mole, meaning sauce, and informally shortened to guac during the 1980s. And now I'm going to show you my take on it. In a separate bowl, I've chopped and deseeded a few avocados, and here I'm just making sure that I deposit all the pieces evenly in the bowl. Here's a pro tip: if you keep your avocado pieces relatively equal in size, they'll mash easier, leaving you with a creamier, thicker sauce. And here I was prepping my ingredients before throwing down the last of the avocado. To that we'll add our diced tomato. Next, we'll chop some cilantro, and here's a pro tip: if you keep a tight fist around those leaves, they'll chop easier. And after slicing and dicing, I finally decided to set this aside for a second before going in with some lime juice. As I squeezed with all my might, I finally decided it had enough, and right about now it was time to hit it with some salt, which I did. And depending how you look at it, for the next phase, I took my weapon of choice, which happened to be a potato masher, and started to give this a beating, from which it could not escape, and a mashing, which it could barely endure. From here on, I continued until the avocado mix was to my desired consistency, at which point I stopped, plated it up, took some chips, and went in for a taste. The rich creaminess of the avocado itself, paired with the freshness of the cilantro and tomato, along with the twang from the lime and salt and pepper, couldn't be beat. No matter how you like your avocado, thick and chunky like me, or a little thinned out and extra creamy, it'll be a surefire hit at your next party or as a condiment to your weeknight meals. I hope you've enjoyed my recipe for guacamole. Now you can dazzle your family and friends with this great condiment and side dish that's very simple and easy to make. For ingredient amounts and more info, please visit www.chefnickostyle.blogspot.com. Bon appetit, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next recipe. And don't forget to like and subscribe.